Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is VLC. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is VLC? VLC, which stands for Video LAN Client, is a popular open source cross-platform media player. It is developed by the VideoLAN Project, a non-profit organization. VLC is known for its versatility and ability to play a wide range of multimedia files, including audio and video formats as well as streaming protocols. Some key features of VLC include: number one, cross-platform. VLC is available for various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Number 2, wide format support. It can play a multitude of multimedia file formats including MPEG, AVI, MP4, MKV, WMV, and many more. Number 3, streaming. VLC supports streaming protocols allowing users to watch online streams and internet radio. Number 4, customization. Users can customize VLC through various options and settings, including skins and extensions. Number 5, no spyware or ads. VLC is a free and open source software without any spyware or ads, making it a popular choice among users who prefer a clean and reliable media player. Number 6, advanced features. VLC includes advanced features such as the ability to convert file formats, adjust audio and video settings, and even take screenshots from within the player. Overall, VLC is widely appreciated for its simplicity, reliability, and broad compatibility with multimedia formats, making it a go-to choice for many users around the world. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is VLC is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.